name is Jimmy Zhou. I'm from the Department of Biological Sciences. So, as we know that in this country, there are few college students that cannot obtain the key resources for their education. So without some grant money, my students in my lab and some pre-med students have to work to support their education, including curation. And then reason we know that college students, they learn when they have opportunities. So recently I received 2 grants, and then one is from NIH. So these grants basically, thank you. Yeah, basically they will allow my graduate student and undergraduate student to do not only summer research, but they also can do the research during academic years. So we have 2 collaborators for this NIH grant for 4 years. One is the CDC, and then we will send 1 student to CDC to receive training. And then once the student receives training, and then she can teach other undergraduate students in the textile culture. And these research will support 16 students from HSU for their research learning experience, and also will include 300 undergraduate students in 3 upper division classes. They will including the group research project, and they will be presenting the PowerPoint slide at the end of the 1 semester. We will include not only URM, but other underrepresented group of students in the research. And then we will collaborate with the INTERCEPT office to recruit undergraduate students in the research. So the image on the left show me that me and another graduate student is using white colored cotton flag to collect ticks from the vegetation and from the log and the rocks. So that's how we do the tick collection. And then the purpose of doing the research, we try to see whether the bacteria we identified years ago, whether they survive in adult tick and immature ticks, and what are their transmission routes and other ecology studies. We will culture and purify the bacteria using the tick cell line in the lab, and we will study whether these bacteria can cause any disease in the animals and humans. So we try to demonstrate their pathogenicities. So these bacteria possible tick-borne pathogens, and then these bacteria is actually survive in only Northern California region. Okay, I'm lucky that also lucky enough to apply another grant, and then luckily I got another grant from the Department of California Department of Health, and this grant will involve our pre-med students, and then they will be spending 10 weeks in the summer in local hospitals, and they will gain the clinical experience from shadowing with healthcare workers, including physicians, nurses, and PA, and other healthcare workers. So we will be collaborating with Dr. Cassie Thornhill from the advising office in recruiting the UIM and other underrepresented group of students. And we also, another collaborator is the Humboldt Del Norte Medical Society. So they will be responsible to placing the students in different hospitals and medical office, and they will gain not only the clinical experience, but they also will develop the professional skills in healthcare. So another unique thing about these paid summer internship that we provide not only the stipend, but also they will gain the experience about the rural healthcare challenges. So hopefully that by going through the training, they will be returned to our community to serve our local people's populations and health when they finish their education. So with the 2 grant and other resources on campus, we want to share the same goal that we're working together to support the student success. Thank you.